In dusty, chip, and spatter-heavy workshops, a robot travel rail soon stutters, wears and loses accuracy. Can rail protection actually hold up? The guideway and sliders fear grit and chips most. Once they get in, motion stutters, where accelerates and positioning accuracy drops, cutting rail life sharply. EVST travel rails are fitted with protective covers matched to the workshop against dust, chips, and weld spatter, shielding the guideway and sliders for smooth, long-term motion. Every metal structural part is annealed for dimensional stability, with 3 QC gates before shipping: hole position accuracy, flatness, and smooth, noise-free travel. Payload spans W500 to W800. When do you need a well-protected rail? A dusty, chip-laden shop, weld spatter and sparks, or tight accuracy demands? Meet anyone, and protection deserves real attention. Welding shops, foundries, grinding lines, and heavy contamination environments. The dirtier the setting, the more protection matters. Whether a travel rail lasts comes down not only to the guideway itself, but to its protection and how it is built. This is EVST. We build travel rails as rugged, long-life motion axes. For the full solution and a selection guide, get in touch with our team.